It may be springtime, but it's really cold. Let's do a quick chicken soup. Alright, so here I have onions, celery, carrots, some chopped garlic, some ginger, and even though I've taken this out, it's going to be more for the soup later, cut into pieces. It's a bird's eye or Thai chili. I'm going to take this chicken. I usually like to do this with chicken on the bone, but the store didn't have any. So I'm going to take trimmings off of this piece to brown first in this pot, and then I'm going to throw these vegetables in. Alright, let's get the pan nice and hot. We've put some olive oil in right here. I put some salt and pepper on the chicken. Throw it right in. Alright, we want this to get brown. Not quite there yet. Okay, it's a little darker than I'd like it to be, but the chicken's not all black, so I'm fine with that. So, into that, we're going to put the aromatics. We're going to save the garlic until a little later. Throw this around. Alright, it's been a minute. I want it to soften a little bit, but that's fine. Yeah. Let's put in the garlic. Like before in the chicken and potato chowder episode, let's just help the garlic out a little bit. Garlic is going to, without liquid in this pan, garlic is going to burn pretty quick. So just break it down a little. Bring the heat back up. Do a little stir. Add the water. This is 4 cups. 1. So we want to bring this up to a boil, like a medium boil, so that the level drops a little quicker. Now we're up to the boil. Now we're going to let it boil basically like this until the volume drops by about half. Alright, it's been about a half an hour, boiling hard, boiling vigorously, and as you can see, it's dropped by about half. So now we're going to take it off. We want to put some salt on. Alright. Nice new board. Just in case you're wondering, it's not the same board. It's a different one. Here is the last one. I just happen to have 2 of the same color. Onions, celery, and carrots, and then I also have Thai chilies. One of these. It's very hot, but it will clear out the sinuses in a heartbeat, so that's not bad. It was 2 before, now it's just 1. So now let's make the chicken soup. Hot pan, olive oil in the pan, and now some chicken. That's coming along nicely. We want it to brown just a bit. Alright, it's out of the pan. As you can see, looks great. Just starting to brown. Now let's throw in the veg. It's a little hard to flip with a straight-sided pan, but it's fine. Now, as you can see, nice and caramelized. There's a bit of char in there, so let's add the chili and all the seeds. And let's add some diced garlic. Just stir that around until it's nice and aromatic, and then now we're going to add 4 cups of water. And then bring this up to the boil again. Levels have dropped just a tad, and it's been about 8 minutes. So now we're going to put in the chicken. And the stock. Bring it up to a boil again, drop it to a simmer, and then we have a decision to make about the thickness. This is a roux, equal parts flour and butter, mixed together with about 3 tablespoons of the chicken soup mixture. So we're going to thicken this with a roux. Stir it right in. Then be quick or else you'll have lumps. Now we're ready to plate. A little bit of oregano and some orange zest. And there you have quick chicken soup. If you like this video, give me a like, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell for when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.